Hangzhou Jianye Cable Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of communications cable industry in China. We can manufacture and supply coaxial cables, LAN cables, fiber optic cables, and the cable assembly. Our factory production capacity 8 by 40 foot containers cargo per day. Some cables, such as RG59, RG6, with power coaxial cable, UTP, FTP, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat7 LAN cable, FTTH drop cable, ADSS cable, GYXTW fiber optical cables, hot cell at Southeast, Europe, America, Mideast market, and good feedback. Our factory is located in Lin'an District, Hangzhou City, only 3 hours to Shanghai and Ningbo Seaport. Convenient transportation and fast delivery. We carefully test cables under ISO 9001-2015 and different countries' standards before shipment. We have advanced testing machines, including Agilent, HP Analyzer, OTDR, can control the quality constantly and strictly in order to give the best products to the customers. 7 by 24 hours after-sale online service. Can contact us any questions about communication cables. Our company devotes to developing custom cables according to clients' needs. We can make design for you from specification to logo, packing, accept OEM, ODM orders. Look forward to working with you and getting mutual benefit in future. Welcome visit us anytime. Thank you.